What's up, YouTube? It's your boy T Flashy. I'm back with another video. So it's the next day. I'm still working on these black panels. Wanted y'all to see. I had to re-clear this one because it didn't turn out like the other one. I'll show y'all that one in a minute. But as y'all can see, I had to get it to where I could see myself through it. Had to get it that way, because that's how the other panels look, so had to get it that way. Looking good now. So I'm about to sit this in the room with the other one, and I'll get back with y'all in a minute. All right, y'all. So y'all could see I still got them like drying real good in here. But they looking pretty good though. This one flipped upside down, hold on. But looking pretty good. Looking real good. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna let these sit out here all day today, and then tomorrow I'm gonna put some polish on them, get a little bit more shine out of them. So y'all just keep staying tuned. Like I said, I'm gonna put some polish on them, get them looking real good, get them looking like the other people. I'm going to bring the other pieces up here that I'm putting on when I put these on back on, so y'all can see that I did a good job on these. I didn't think I did a real good job on them, but I actually did a real good job on them. So y'all gonna see. But anyway, catch y'all tomorrow when these are pretty much done to where I could put my finger on them and it won't leave a print. So I'm gonna give y'all one more look. Yep. All right, y'all. I'm gonna get back with y'all tomorrow when I finish this black up. And next, we're gonna do the rims and the calibers. Then we'll be done. So, all right. Okay, y'all. It's the next day. Already got my pieces all nice and done up. Got a little wax left on this one. So while that's waiting, I'm gonna put that one on the back. Already wiped all the dirt off the Rover, so we all good. So I'm about to go ahead and put this piece on and get it cracking. So y'all stay tuned. It's freezing outside again. All right, y'all, got the pieces on. Let y'all see real quick. It's freezing, so I'm not gonna finish this vlog today. I'm gonna do it tomorrow. But like I said, it's cold, so your boy gonna finish this up tomorrow. I gotta put the door handles on and them vents on, so I'll get back with y'all tomorrow. There you go. Should work now. All right, y'all, I'm about to put on my autobiography covers over this. Whew. Cold outside today. Yeah, I'm about to put on my autobiography covers. Like I said, I'm about to put them on over that. I got them like 2 weeks ago, but been playing around, been trying to finish this video for like a week, but it's about to get out to y'all today. So about to put these covers on. I'm gonna let y'all check out everything here in a minute. Tell them why you're in trouble. I'm not taking no bad dog for a walk. Mama, you gonna take her for a walk? Oh, okay. Yeah. All right, y'all. Back to business. I'm about to got the covers in my hands. Let's see how this go. Hopefully they just stick right on. Ooh, it is freezing. So I just pull that little adhesive off and stick it on. That's how it's supposed to work, but let's see how it go though. All right, hold on, y'all. All right, y'all, we got the pieces on, looking good. I'm mad because one side it didn't stick all the way and the other side it went right on. And the same thing happened with the door handles. Well, not the door handles, the door trim. On one side they went on correctly and the other side I had a problem with. I don't understand it. Both times it's the driver's side that I had the problem with though. I don't get it. But we'll see what's going on. I'm about to show y'all this real quick though. What's going on? That just makes me mad. That's sticking out a little bit. Gonna be driving me nuts because this one over here flush. Let me see if I... Hold on, y'all. Where you going, Paris? Huh? She don't usually get to go for walks, so she's excited. Oh boy. Too excited.
Come on, Mama.
Frozen. It's cold. Midwest cold. She don't care. She got her sweater on. She don't care about it being cold. She is so funny how she talks to pets. Talk to her. Continue to. No, do it how you.
That's how parents talk.
You don't know how she talks.
That's what she's saying to me.
Oh, whatever.
Ain't that what you said, Sita? Sita.
Too funny. Whew. Get back with y'all in a minute. Sita.
Oh, big girl.
Told y'all.
Go say hi to the doggies.
Oh, is she making it out? Oh, yeah. Yeah. All right, y'all. I know when people ride down this street, they be like, "Ooh wee." They be like, "Ooh, I wonder who lives there. He ain't playing." I already know. I done heard a few people say it. I'm not bragging though. Anyway, I got this piece back on the right way. It's sealed. just like the other side is. So we all good. See, look, they're both on there and sealed. About 2 weeks, yeah. Hmm. Yeah, the only other piece supposed to be is this bottom one, but I don't.
One is gray.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna leave that alone. What you think? I don't know. What color rims? The black ones or the machine Rover rims?
You've been fixing it.
Well, that's why I'm asking you. What color? All right. She don't want to decide on the wheels, but guess I gotta decide. Oh boy. Ooh, it is cold, y'all. Real cold. Let me get in this garage, finish this vlog up. That Midwest wind hit you and yeah, that Midwest wind hit you. It's over with. Most people know, some don't, but most do. But anyway, y'all, like I said, all we got left to do is my calibers and then order these Rover 22s. I'm trying to decide if I want to go with the all black or the black and machine, but that's what we're going with for now. Next summer, y'all know we're going probably 26s or 24s, but for now we're gonna go with the factory 22s to go with my black look. But anyway, this your boy T Flashes Whips checking out with another video.